Today we see the internal structure of MCB. MCB stands for Miniature Circuit Breaker. Let's we introduce the internal parts of MCB. This is the incoming terminal. This is solenoid coil. This is bimetallic strip. This is outgoing terminal. Now we see the operating principle of EMCB. Here we see step by step. Here I remove this cover to see the how the operation of MCB perform, which contacts get closed, which contacts get open. Now we first see uh, the open position of MCB. Here this one is the bimetallic strip. This is the bimetallic strip. When it get heated, then it will bend, and this is the spring tension. Now this is the uh, arc shoot and arc splitter. Let's we see the arc splitter like this. Whenever arc goes into that section, it get splitted, means it get cutted in various sections. This is the arc splitter. This is the arc splitter. Arc goes in this section, and it get cut and also elongate. That's why the arc get quench and vanish in the EMCB. I will again it place in this section. This is the arc splitter in simple way. This is the arc splitter. Now you see this is the on off switch. On off switch of MCB. This is the on off switch. Now first look two contacts, that is fixed contact and moving contact. Firstly I will close the contacts. See the contact get close. That means you see this is the movable contact, this is the fixed contact. Now current entering from incoming terminal, this current enter in this coil. Now then this you see the wire. Now this is the one contact, this is one contact. Now this contact touches to this strip, means the current goes through this strip to bimetallic strip to outgoing terminal, right? Outgoing terminal. Now MCB perform MCB operation performed by two methods. One is thermal, and other is electromagnetic. In thermal, if suppose the continuous overloading is done, if continuous overloading is done, then bimetallic strip, this is the bimetallic strip, then bimetallic strip get heated and bent. Let's see, uh, we perform a simple operation manually. The bimetallic strip get bent. See the if slightly bimetallic strip get bent. See the this contact gets open. When these contacts get open, the are struck between these two contacts, and the arc, due to electromagnetic force, the arc goes in this section, in this section, and it get cut by arc splitter. This is the simple function. Now we see now we see the uh, thermal operation, means now we see the this is the biometric thermal operation continue due to continuous overloading. If in the circuit short circuit takes place, means heavy current flow through the this solenoid coil, this solenoid coil. Now we again close this contact manually. See, I close these two contacts manually. Contact get close. Contact get close. The contact get close. Suppose heavy current takes flow in the EMCB, then this coil get energized and plunger throw away the spring tension. Means here I press this coil. Here is a, a normal rod, you can see here is a normal rod. See, due to electromagnetic action this get attracted, and circuit breaker contact again trip. Simply this section I will let you know. Here is same. Here is solenoid coil. This is the plunger. This plunger gets attracted, means here is a plunger. That plunger pushes this contact, this one. Here same. Again closed. See, this is the plunger. Inside this is the plunger, right? Then I again it get close, right? Close and push. When heavy current flow or short circuit takes place in the circuit, then this plunger get attracts and mm, now when heavy short circuit current flow in the circuit, this solenoid coil get energized and attracts the plunger. Now we push that plunger and circuit breaker get contacts get open. This is the very simple operation of EMCB. Here is the fixed contact, moving contact, bimetal strip. Whenever a continuous overloading takes place, these biometallic strips get bent. Again I will show again. This is the biometallic strip. I will bend it. Circuit breaker contact open. Again when a short circuit takes place, MCB solenoid coil get energized and tripping mechanism takes place. This is the simple operation of miniature circuit breaker. There are various classes of MCB according to rating we use. Thank you.